Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update a support inbox in Retool using Gmail step by step clearly. Open your browser and log into your Retool account. Navigate to the Retool application where you want to update the support inbox. Locate the email settings within your Retool application. Click on Settings or the gear icon. Select Email from the options in the menu. Choose Gmail as your email provider. Authenticate your Gmail account by clicking on the provided link. A new window will open, prompting you to log into your Gmail account. Enter your Gmail credentials and sign in. Grant Retool the necessary permissions to access your Gmail account. Return to the Retool application once authentication is complete. In the email settings, locate the field for the support inbox. Enter the desired email address for the support inbox. Choose the relevant options for notifications and email format. Set up any filters to manage incoming support requests. Click on Save Changes to apply your settings. Next, open the Retool application that handles support requests. Create a new query to pull in the support emails. Select the Gmail API from the list of available data sources. Construct your query to fetch emails from the support inbox. Test the query to ensure it operates correctly. Set up the UI components to display the fetched support requests. Add a button to refresh the inbox when new emails arrive. Configure the button to trigger the query you created earlier. Save your changes to the application. Preview the application to ensure everything functions as expected. You have now successfully updated your support inbox in Retool using Gmail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.